You show that.
10k, going good.
Because we're the only ones doing this hike, and hey vlog, we're apparently on track, but we low-key feel lost and scared. Even though it's the middle of the day, it's good weather.
Imagine if we...
But there's low-key like magpies and they're intimidating. And everything just looks so vast and expansive, and there's also like no people out there. So... Look at the three of them. It's rough out here. It's been... has it been an hour and a half yet?
Maybe like 90 minutes.
We've walked kilometers. But like 3k's or 4k's is not much when you're on the flat.
4.65k.
And that's like uphill the whole time. So
we put a raspberry down just in case something happens. We've been getting weird vibes. The sheep are kind of weird.
There's a lot of sheep and they started chasing us at one point.
And now we know about that movie where they disrespect rocks and then they go missing. And see.
Oh yeah, the one in Australia from the 1920s. So we're just being respectful, we're not leaving any rubbish behind, not that we would anyway. And we just left a raspberry there in case we get... What's that thing? Oh, like the big fluffy. Yeah, there's a fire over there.
Very fire on my face.
It's on your head.
I'm falling out.
So... we'll be fine. Like I think some people, especially like from overseas, would really appreciate the serenity and the silence. For us, we love it. But it's low-key scary. But also, it probably sounds nice on the vlog, like on the camera, because
Stuff in the back.
Okay, we're back where we just filmed before.
like how long ago?
How long? Like an hour and 30 maybe. Remember, it was only meant to be 10 minutes down. We walked for ages, and then when we saw the ocean, but it was downhill and there was no track, and then we found out that we were definitely wrong because the track was only how long? 6 kilometers, and we've been walking for 8 kilometers now.
The sheep. It's beautiful, but we're over it now. Say hi, Tyler.
Feel free to ask what we're here for.
Oh. Watch out, you're gonna get sprayed.
But I did it.
But I just pulled it. Yep, pull it out, it's in the main bag.
I think there's a couple of huts that you can stay in, but I'd have to check.
Yeah, that looks like fun.
Honey. Oh wait, that was bad. I didn't.
So just stay there and I'll...
Oh, okay.
canon.
Reese, you gotta come here. You're gonna blow away. Ah, you scared me. Oh my god. Why are my legs doing You have to boil as well. On fire, I bet that's cozy at night. Sydney.
Oh, girls in a... Jeremy, the guy that tried.
Posture?
People write their name everywhere here. What does it say? Not much. Whoa, you. Setting up. This is not fun. This is so pretty.
You want the hijau?
No, thank you.